Are Indian apps sexist? I'm talking about those that we're so used to viewing day in and day out that it quietly slips under the radar. Apps that reinforce gender stereotypes, be it subtly saying women are or should be submissive or are indeed the weaker sex. Like how these so-called cute ads are actually more sexist and more derogatory than the overtly sexual ones.
There are subtle messages and some not so subtle messages that go out. Women generally are looked at as either a homemaker or someone who is objectified. Yes, it is reinforcing stereotypes.
And then at the face of it, people will say that, okay, motherhood, mother sacrifices so many things. But what people decode is, it's okay, if you have the power, you have it your way.
बेहद शर्मनाक ये बयान पॉलिटिशियंस का, राजनेताओं का, जो लगातार इस तरह की बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं।
जब तक कोई महिला टेढ़ी नजर से हंसेगी नहीं, तब तक कोई आदमी उसको छेड़ेगा नहीं।
फॅशन शो मध्ये काम करणारी नटी खासदार बनून संसदेत गेली, तेव्हापासून लोकशाही ट्रान्सपरंट झाली. ती उठून उभी राहतात, सभागृहात दंगे झाले आणि एकमेकांचे कपडे फेडून बाकीचे खासदारही नंगे झाले.
पहले ये कानून बनाइए कि कोई भी औरत किसी मर्द के साथ इस तरह का काम नहीं करे जो मियां और बीवी करते हैं.
Now, MP and Cabinet Minister Vayala Ravi has been caught on camera openly intimidating a reporter.
जैसे जैसे समय बीतता है, पत्नी पुरानी होती चली जाती है, वो मजा नहीं रहता है.
I would like to ask Mamata Banerjee what would be her fee if someone gets 20,000 after being raped.
That was not at all a rape case. It was a misunderstanding between two parties involved in a professional dealing, a lady and her client.
महिला की अगर ताकत नहीं बन सकते तो कम से कम समाज में उस महिला को मानसिक रूप से प्रताड़ित ना करें. वो मानसिकता है जिसकी वजह से महिलाओं में ये खौफ रहता है कि अगर उनके साथ कोई अपराध किया गया तो वो डर के मारे कंप्लेंट इसलिए नहीं करती क्योंकि उन्हें ये डर रहता है कि शायद उन पर उंगली उठाई जाए कि उन्होंने ऐसा क्या किया जिसकी वजह से उनके साथ ऐसी घटना हुई.
Asaram Babu held the Delhi Braveheart responsible for this barbaric sexual assault. The victim is as guilty as her rapists. She should have called the culprit's brothers and begged before them to stop. This could have saved her dignity and life. Can one hand clap, he asks.
See, women are gentle, soft creatures. They are motherly, sisterly, wifely, girl-friendly. I feel I'm very good with a gun, I can turn it around, I can do stuff with it.
And with the women.
And with the women, yeah.
Kareena is very close to Malaika and Amrita and all that. And she was like at a party and she
was begging to do the...
Watch carefully. Hi. Come on, Dilshan. Come
on. I feel like a virgin.
Feel like a virgin. 18 again. Vaginal tightening and rejuvenating gel.